scientific evening, everyone. Welcome to the first pagpupugay para sa batang ASMEPS ng Calabarzon. ASMEPS stands for the Association of Science and Mathematics Educators of Public and Private Schools. This is Professor Eloisa E. Oliveira, your president. Proud to be ASMEPS.
Hi everyone, good evening. This is Mr. Roger Angel Yeager from Immaculate Conception Academy, South Campus, one of the proud coaches of ASMEPS. We've been joining ASMEPS for how many years? And ASMEPS is really a home of excellence. ASMEPS really help students not just to fully develop their potential, but also giving different opportunities in order for them to be the best version of themselves.
My experience as ASMEPS was fun, it was challenging, but we persevered through it.
ASMEPS is really a home not just for excellence, but also a home for us coaches to develop also our potential and to help students to be the best version, not just for themselves, but also to achieve their goal in their life. So ASMEPS is really a home for us. Thank you very much and all the best for ASMEPS. Mabuhay ASMEPS!
It's beautiful.
Ako po ay 10 taon na po na mahigit nakasama dito sa asosasyon na ito. At ako po ay nalulugod for tonight na makasama po muli ang ating pong mga winners. At alam ko po na sila ay ang ating mga future mga scientists and mathematicians to be part of the association, and we are very proud that they are here tonight with us.
Love like you never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens.
I've been coaching students in math and science and in trivia for a number of years now. And being a coach is really a challenge. Every year, the challenge becomes harder and harder.
All right, I like that kind of energy. When you are among champions, you should shout like a champion. These are people who actually set the standards high and they want to surpass those standards. So every time there's an event like this, para bang I look forward to another outstanding performance report.
My name is Christ Benedict Gabriel Ilaria Santillan. I'm from the Our Lady of the Holy Rosary School. Proud ako, batang ASMEPS ako.
I am Sofia Gabriel G. Barreto from St. Bridget College. Thank you, ASMEPS. Proud ako, batang ASMEPS ako. I am Emilio Antonio Miguel C. de Castro from St. Bridget College. Thank you, ASMEPS. Proud ako, batang ASMEPS ako.
One blink and it's over. Wake up, we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Never stop believing in yourself. Your teachers believe in you. Your parents are already investing in you because they believe in you. All right? So make them happy by committing to believe in yourself until you become more successful than you have ever imagined.